Introducing the AirRounder Max, the ultimate 3-in-1 home comfort solution that heats, purifies, and circulates air effortlessly. 3 technologies work together to create a healthier, more comfortable living environment. With a single touch, activate refreshing airflow with fan mode. Switch to advanced air purification featuring a high-performance HEPA antiviral filter. Or enjoy smooth, powerful heating for immediate warmth. Stay in control anytime, anywhere with the Smart Companion app. Monitor real-time air quality, adjust settings, and personalise comfort right from your phone. The HEPA antiviral filter is simple to access and easy to maintain, ensuring long-lasting performance and peace of mind. Experience up to 350-degree oscillation, designed to evenly distribute clean, warm or cool air throughout your space. The AirRounder Max, intelligent comfort, purified air and powerful performance in one sleek design.